Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the essential strategies for building wealth in your 20s. These strategies will lay a solid foundation for your financial future, ensuring long-term success and stability. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates on personal finance tips and strategies. Let's get started on this exciting journey towards wealth building. Start tracking your finances. One of the fundamental steps towards building wealth is to track your finances diligently. By using personal finance apps such as Mint or Pocket Card, you can gain insights into your spending habits and financial patterns. These apps allow you to categorize your expenses, set budgets, and monitor your progress over time. By analyzing your spending, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more money. This could involve reducing discretionary expenses, renegotiating bills, or finding more affordable alternatives. By being aware of where your money is going, you can make more informed financial decisions and redirect your resources towards wealth-building activities such as saving and investing. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is like creating a safety net for unexpected financial situations. Life is full of surprises, and having a dedicated fund to handle emergencies can provide peace of mind and financial stability. An emergency fund should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start by setting aside a portion of your income every month until you reach your desired target. Keep the funds in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Having an emergency fund protects you from relying on credit cards or taking on high-interest debt when unexpected expenses arise, such as medical bills or car repairs. It provides a buffer and allows you to maintain your financial stability and progress towards your wealth-building goals. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a significant obstacle to building wealth. It's essential to prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates, such as credit card balances or personal loans. These debts can accumulate quickly and eat away at your income through interest charges. By tackling high-interest debt early, you save money in the long run and free up more of your income for saving and investing. Start by listing all your debts and their interest rates. Consider employing debt payoff strategies such as the debt avalanche method, paying off the highest interest rate debts first, or the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest balances first. It's important to make consistent and disciplined payments towards your debts while avoiding incurring new debt. As you pay off each debt, celebrate your progress and use the freed-up funds to accelerate the payoff of the remaining debts or contribute to your savings and investment accounts. Start saving for retirement. Although retirement may seem distant, starting to save early is crucial for maximizing your retirement savings. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to compounding returns. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as a 401k or 403b. If your employer doesn't offer a retirement plan, consider opening an individual retirement account (IRA) and contribute regularly. Explore the different types of IRAs, such as traditional and Roth, and assess which one aligns better with your financial circumstances and goals. By starting to save for retirement early in your 20s, you give your investments more time to grow, potentially resulting in a more comfortable retirement. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is a crucial component of building wealth. Education and skill development are key drivers of career growth and income potential. Consider pursuing higher education, attending workshops or seminars, or acquiring certifications relevant to your field. Continuously seek opportunities to expand your knowledge and improve your skills. Additionally, develop personal attributes such as discipline, resilience, and a growth mindset. These qualities can enhance your professional performance and open doors to new opportunities. Another way to invest in yourself is by starting a side hustle or entrepreneurial venture. This can provide additional income streams and potentially grow into a full life within your means. Living within your means is a fundamental principle for long-term financial success. It means spending less than you earn and avoiding unnecessary debt. To live within your means, create a realistic budget that accounts for your income and expenses. Track your expenses diligently and identify areas where you can cut back. Differentiate between needs and wants, and prioritize essential expenses while minimizing discretionary spending. Be mindful of lifestyle choices that constrain your finances, such as expensive housing, luxury vehicles, or frequent dining out. By living within your means, you can avoid accumulating debt, Build a solid financial foundation and free up resources for saving and investing. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation refers to the tendency to increase spending as income rises. While it's natural to want to enjoy the fruits of your labor, rather than immediately upgrading your lifestyle with every raise or promotion, maintain a modest lifestyle and allocate the extra income towards savings and investments. Keep your expenses in check and resist the urge to constantly chase material possessions. By avoiding lifestyle inflation, you can accelerate your wealth-building journey and achieve your financial goals sooner. Invest wisely. Investing wisely is a key strategy for building wealth. Before investing, educate yourself about different investment options and their associated risks and rewards. Consider working with a financial advisor to gain personalized guidance based on your financial situation and goals. Diversify your investment portfolio by investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other assets to spread risk and increase the potential for returns. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and financial objectives. Patient and disciplined investing can yield significant returns over time, contributing to your overall wealth-building efforts. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential strategies for building wealth in your 20s. By implementing these strategies, you'll be on your way to achieving financial independence and long-term prosperity. Remember, building wealth takes time, discipline, and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals, stay informed about personal finance, and continue seeking knowledge and opportunities for growth. We hope you found this video valuable in gaining insights into your financial journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new content. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you all the best in your wealth building endeavors.